It is normal in every vetting. There are those who go through and those who don't go through. It shouldn't surprise you that many of the people who had aspired to be members of parliament under the national platform didn't make it. There is still another chance, the next elections. Elections are a process. They don't end. They only end at that time when you need those people to do something for you at a certain time. But currently, jubilations are ongoing, but the battle is just starting. This is the beginning of the big battle which everyone is aspiring for. So I'm not surprised that some members were dropped and some made it because of what happens on the ground. Whichever assessment that was made by the leadership of National Unity Platform, we do appreciate and respect it because there wasn't any external influence. Whoever got the card, congratulations. Whoever didn't make it, there is still another chance next elections. It is high time we unite as people of the same party, and we do support those who have already gone through, because we have a long way to go. This is just the beginning of the long-awaited battle. At the end of the day, maybe those who didn't make it this time, they may make it next time. It's not the end. And I call upon all people who thought that because of their positions, sometimes they thought they would go through automatically. They went through vetting, and we did trust the people who did the vetting. And currently, we do think that those who went through should unite those who never went through, such that we can work together as a party under National Unity Platform. Members who were never solid, they could move in the waters and on the ground. Even if you are the one who would be doing the vetting, to assess them as Nampa Wengwa. So the best way was to go on the ground, you assess, you hear from the people, and of course other vetting processes that they went through. Maybe they failed the vetting processes. And some of you may think that they were automatically to go through, being that some of these people have ever been in political offices for some good time. Maybe they failed the vetting questions. That's why they never went through. But still, that's not the end of life. In politics, you serve and go. We are here to tell Museveni, please go. If you never went through, why do you have to come back? You have to rally your support to the candidate who went through under your party. So I am not excited, neither am I supposed to be crying, but I call upon all members who never went through to rally behind those who went through, such that we can unite for a common cause. Our common cause is to eliminate, mark my word, eliminate all of propagandists of NRM in all political positions and their master General Kaguta Museveni.
Salamu alaikum. Agati nakalembe omusomero duwa. Bwoba wenyembe lembi yankusomere ku duwa. Abali ebweru mirimu gigani papula zesibye kino kyekyoto kwesabira omukisa kobe ng'odiddawa waliwe kusabira n'ofuna emikisa. Kyobola bangabirira ebinyonyi ebitalina kyakulya naawe atalina mulimu jankusomere ku duwa ofuna omukisa. Eno ennyanja kwesira buli kimu ekisira ne kiba kikujjudde nekikasuka mu nnyanja nekikunta nekigenda. Nze Agati Nakalembe kambawe ennamba yange yeeno 075237529 temuddeeyo nemwebakira ebizibu mukoye ku nnamba yange eno.
Joyce Bagala mitiyana naye lwakuba kucha Joyce Bagala Joyce agenda kuba gwe bawadde kaadi ekyo nkibagambidde wano. Gwe bawadde kaadi y'emitiyana tagenda kuwangula, ekyo nkibagambye. Oyo mwala oyo azanya katemba oyo, I repeat, Joyce Bagala warangirira ati akomyewo independent, trust me, agenda kuwangula wa kaadi yaabwe. Joyce Bagala agenda kuwangula wa NUP gwe bawadde kaadi. Joyce Bagala agenda kuwangula wa NRM. Oyo minister yani n'abakuba bagenda kukuba akalulu n'abakuba. Ekyo nkikubuulira. Teeka waga, teeka wabiri. Joyce Bagala agenda kudda mu parliament. Walangirira independent kyakomawo. Mumubale kyawangudde. Ekyo kyogedde ssaawa zino misana. Because waliwo awamu Nuupu wetadde kaadi nga naye ekimanyi nti ono katumwe kaadi bamukuba akalulu tumwejjeko. Hey! Tumwejjeko nga bamusiibudde bamutaddeyo eyo kaadi bagitaddeyo nga saddaaka egende kati zezimu kwezo.
Muhammad Nsereka akomyewo mu Kampala Central MP race. Kino kitwale gano gajje kunze kubanga ndi 100% sure agenda kulangirira in the next 2 days. Neze badnaye nkubiriza Muhammad Nsereka. Look, this is your best opportunity of joining His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Otherwise, only out of the picture completely when a revolution. Ateka nkubulire oli mu profile Museveni jasingira ddala obutayagala abasajja bano gye basingira ddala obutayagala. Oli musajja Muganda, oli musajja Musiraamu, oli muyigirize ate nnyo. Oli mbano wa jakana type, jakana nadduli. Tosobola leero kufuna any political path nga abasajja bano bakyali mu buyinza. They're going to frustrate you to the last minute. I can tell you that. Ne wonolingira mu bya MP ogenda kuwononera obululu bwabwerere ne ssente tebagenda kukkiriza kusinga. The best opportunity you have is to align yourself with His Excellency Kyagulanyi. Tuyinza kusuba revolution ng'eno kati ekutta omuliro gwe olabye ejjinja ekibadde ejjinja sawa zino walibadde ku convoy y'omusajja ng'omutambulirako nga buli omu atulaba nti we are united and strong. Kano ke kaseera k'okubeera united and strong. Abaana abali intelligent about the elite of Central Region abavuddeyo abalaba what the future is calling us into. Buno bwe budde bwo naye kakati nze sikitegera kiki kiri mu opposition kuba ffe nyini. We are so many but we are divided. We are fighting against each other to do a common cause. Omuntu kwe tulwanisa ayina amagye, ayina police, he has the police, he has the army, he has the electoral commission, ayina eno judiciary yawo Owenyedolo where Machete can spend 5 whole years on remand without trial. That will go down in history as the hallmark of the Owenyedolo judiciary. Nti omuntu asobola okubeera ku remand for 5 years without trial mu Uganda mu Africa tekibangawo. He's just absolutely remarkable in his own status. Abasajja bagenda kukulwanisa. They will not allow you to take part in any kind of political significance in the country. Nze nkuwadde offer. I am standing for MP Kampala Central. I need you to back me. Nze omusala gwa MP sina kyengwetaaza yadde. Mbadde mplanninga gukwata gwonna ngukwase mama wa Machete. Agutemeteme ng'atemerako bamaama b'abaana bonna abakyali mu makomera endala azisigaza azikozese. Bomunaye kati Machete wuuyo ali mu myaka 5 ali mu komera. He's fighting for me. Wherever I am, he's fighting for me. So, making sure nange ntekawo sacrifice. Omusaala gwonna ogwa MP gwonna gyagukwasa mama wa Machete agutemeteme mu baana ba NUP bonna abali mu makomera bonna. Ze saagala musaala gwa MP. Nze MP wa Uganda agenda okusooka okubeera volunteer nga nkolera bwereere. Naye bw'obanga gwe wooli ng'olina ekintu kye weetaaga kuba kakati nkimanyi obadde MP lifestyle egenda kukyuka. Bano bakumye ekya ecological party tekikutteeyo, bakumye ebya presidential aspirant ebyo byonna biganye okukwatayo kati awo oli mu bbanga. Ayijjukira you have the next 5 years, it's going to be a drought, it's going to be a tough time. Abaana n'abasomesa otya, lifestyle yo n'agisigazawo otya. There are many things to consider. So I'm sure olina ekintu ekya sente kinayimirira kitya. To signing a contract, you're a lawyer, an astute lawyer, signing any contract, won't take you as your proxy. I can be a representative. Zechenonya dobozi. Making sure nti tukwate ensi yaffe tugizayo ku moral compass kwena okubeera. We are the moral